In this series of videos, we look at some of the JDs, the job descriptions, and the keywords that we can find. Often recruiters still don't understand some of the key terms such as application. Well, this may seem obvious, but what an application is. Here, they are looking for an application developer. So let's look what an application really is. So let's look at your usual day in life. Say you wake up at 6 a.m., for example, and you go to sleep at 9 p.m. or at midnight, some of you maybe. So you use lots of applications during a usual day. For example, a browser. Like, who doesn't use a browser, right? It could be on your laptop, it could be on your phone, you may use Chrome or Safari or Opera or whatever browser, maybe even Internet Explorer, hello. Well, anyway, a browser is is an application. Or you can use some application for communication, which could be your email client, hello Outlook, or it could be a mail application on your iPhone. It could be Skype, for example, or Zoom for video calls. You know, anything that helps people communicate. Could be Messenger, it could be WhatsApp, WeChat, any of these platforms. Okay, so communication applications. It could be application to enhance productivity. You know, productivity apps such as Task List. Application Wunderlist or Asana. Some of these, are web-based applications. Some of them could be on laptops only, like, for example, OmniFocus. I think it's only for Macs. CRM, customer relationship management applications, are used heavily in sales teams, customer service teams, business development teams. This is a type of application where you want to keep track of the activity related to your customers. Office applications, like obviously every one of you guys know Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Many of you already are familiar with similar applications, but from Google, cloud-based, for example, a Google Spreadsheet or Google Docs. Okay, so those are Office applications. Database is also a type of an application. A database, for example, Microsoft Access, or it could be MySQL, it could be Postgres. Like, all these are examples of database applications. Mobile applications, well, there could be games, there could be some of these, like browser or messaging applications or productivity. Like, all of these could actually be on mobile also. They could be as a native application. For example, on iOS you have native application, on Android platform you have a native mobile application. So we could just go on and on with all these examples. It's good to have this understanding, because then you would maybe never post a job description like this, like, hey, we are looking for an application developer. Yeah, well, hello, who isn't an application developer? Someone who builds software as a service. For example, here, this could be software as a service. If you guys don't know what is software as a service, I encourage you to watch my other video where we talk about SaaS, software as a service. So here, someone who develops online software as a service, and then even he or she could work as a backend developer or a front-end developer or a database developer here. That's also an application, or native mobile app, iOS developer, Android developer, or browser here, written in C++. Like, there are just so many different types of application developers. So I would encourage everyone to think a bit further when creating a job description like this. So here it's written, hey, we are looking for a developer, forward-thinking application developer. Hello, all the forward-thinking developers who has experience in PHP 5, Java, and Objective-C. Now, just look at the spread of information we can see here. PHP is used for web applications, for web development, mostly to build the backend of web applications. Java is used for enterprise systems, and Objective-C for mobile apps on iOS platform. So what kind of a developer are they looking for? Software as a service, CRM, we have no clue, or Java enterprise systems, or mobile applications, but only iOS, no clue. Well, this is really crazy job descriptions, and I hope you guys who study with RECRUITER will never make such a mistake, because you will understand, hey, application is a huge wide area which consists of backend developers, full front-end developers. Some of them are full stack, some of them like to specialize. We have lots of, well, this is a topic for another video, so I'll not divert any further. And you can also see that some developers build backend applications, some developers build front-end applications, some developers build mobile applications, and now we even have car applications. Some applications run in a car, some of them run in a TV, some of them are good for watch, like Apple Watch. Okay, so you can see what a wide spectrum of applications are out there. Hence, I believe we cannot really look for an application developer. So with that, I will wrap it up here. And if you guys have some more examples of your favorite applications, please leave them below this video in comments. And with that, I encourage you to share this video with your colleagues and friends, so they also see what kind of applications we all use.